Government College, Government University, Sialkot, Malak Gulshan Aslam, dear Chairman Sports Society, Fazal Ashraf Khan, Honorable HODs, Punjab University, JLM campus, different departments, and faculty members, and dear students, Assalamu Alaikum. First of all, I would like to say thanks to the Chairman Sports Society, Fazal Ashraf Khan, who organized excellent event in this campus. And second, the most important thing which is relevant to all of you dear students, that is the discipline. During sports, it will take, I think so, 5 days, from Monday to Friday, you have to participate in different games. And the most important thing that you people show in this game is discipline. If anything is wrong and you people are not willing to accept the decision of the umpire, sportsman spirit tells you, you people have to follow and obey the decision of your umpire. And the most important thing whatsoever the rules have been defined by the Chairman Sports Society, you people must obey and abide by these rules and regulations for the conduct and smooth functioning of this annual Sports Gala 2020. And at the end, I would like to welcome all of you students in this prestigious event, and I think maximum students will participate in this event to make this event successful. Finally, I would like to say thanks to the media personals who always come on our voice, and they are the people with the help, the image of this campus is increasing day by day. Thank you so much.